Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're on that struggle bus, guys, and it's okay to be on that struggle bus. So I'm gonna show you what I do whenever I'm on a struggle bus. Lewis brought in $1,281.93. I brought home $356.99. We had an extra $100. So the total came out to $1,638.92. Power, $271.35. I paid myself 10%, which is $35. It's 10% of whatever my income is. And the bonus $50, I have people that are under me, and what I started doing is anybody who is applying themselves extremely well and doing what is asked of them, they're going to get $50 bonuses. So that's where that comes from. This week for envelopes is different. We're only pulling out the $300 for groceries. The only sinking fund that we're going to be doing is lawn care. And then the last $1,000, I put it towards mortgage. That will leave us roughly about $35 in our account. So let's go ahead and get into this cash stuffing. So we are going to pull something out of my wallet. And then I wanted to talk about this envelope. So this envelope has created such a negative impact here on YouTube because I am somebody who has a bad habit, just like majority of the people here on YouTube. We all have bad habits. And because I budget for mine, people make it a big deal. So I'm going to be putting this somewhere else in my wallet, and we're just going to be pulling out the $40 and just putting it off to the side, because people want to say very negative things about this. The way I look at it, guys, you live your life how you see fit, and I'm going to live my life how I see fit. If you don't like how I do my cash stuffings, you don't have to watch them at the end of the day. This will be moving somewhere else in my wallet. So now I don't have to hear any more negative stuff about it. Y'all have no idea how annoying it is to hear the same exact gripe. You should breathe air. I'm sure you drink on the weekends. I don't, so that's what I do. Excuse my voice, I just woke up. Home maintenance, nothing's gonna go in there. Nothing's going in car maintenance. Nothing's going in medical. Yard work, we have to put $33 in here. 1, 2, 3. Nope, no 5. If I say I'm going to put $40 towards a special envelope, that's what I'm talking about, guys. So in our yard work, we've got 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. 69 in yard work. Oh, and I'm also going to be putting in my hair envelope in here after all of this maintenance stuff, because I just made my deposit to get my hair redone. That's where the rest of this is going to go in. So we're going to be putting in $36. And I've got to come up with $280 to get mine done, and then my son's is about $60 to get his done. So I'm going to try my best to get about $400 minimum, and then that way both of our hair is done, and then I got to make sure I come up with the tip, and then our hair will be ready for us to get done. I can change it from this blue. Alright, so we got 2, 4, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66. Got 66 in here. I'm so excited to get my hair done, guys. It's so faded and grown out. I'm ready for a haircut. This was a very, very, very short cash stuffing. We hit a little bit of a hardship this month, but it's okay. We're completely squared away now. After this, everything else should be lining back on up the way they're supposed to. So hopefully next week or the week after, things should start panning back out to more positive stuff. Guys, I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.